Well, my issue that I was having was basically a little bit of tightness on the left side from the ear all the way down to my calf. And I believe it was lymphatic related, and it would be disturbed during the seasonal changes in weather, mostly, right, or stress levels. And so that was kind of for 20 years, I'd say, that I was kind of dealing with that on a very subtle level. And sometimes it would flare up, but like it didn't feel balanced like my right side. So that was predominantly my main issue, right? Um,
Hmm,
yeah.
got it. And what made sense to you in terms of our message?
Well, I didn't follow you for too long, but in that short time, there's a few things you said that really intrigued me, right? One was you mentioned you made a correlation with acupuncture and how you said that when you insert those needles in certain places, it manipulates the fascia. And you also mentioned that we can do this through your training, right? So I'm like, okay, that makes sense. And I looked at the other models that look good on paper, and I've tried them as well. But this one just uh, it was different. The nobody was talking about the fascia, and it just made a lot of sense when you said the connection, how deep it is, like 22 kilograms, right? It's your fascia. It just made more sense in the isolated muscle, right? It's like the whole body working together, and fascia is really the lymphatic system. So all that pressurization internally and movement is kind of what separated what you're messaging from everybody else, right?
Got it. And when you started, and obviously you didn't have too much posterior chain
Yeah,
response, especially to the glute.
yeah.
So, what was this journey like? At what week did you start to feel the difference?
Well, I'd say like a week 8 for me, right? Like while I was doing these exercises, I did notice like some positive things happening. Like so every week I was doing it, I'm like, this I feel something's changing, there's a shift. Week 8, I started to see there's some glimpses of okay, I'm noticing some things that I didn't notice before. And just my bounce level, right? Like before, I'm like 44, right? So stiffness and I'm getting that bounce back like early 20s, right? Like I can see that potential just like it's like an injury proof type of body. You just feel it when I'm walking, it's less stress. When I'm jogging, even lightly, I just notice that the body isn't like the joints aren't hurting, right? Just like it's a good bounce, like fluid movement. So I'm really excited about even activating the glutes even more. And it's complete like there's a complete change in like the whole body, like the understanding of the body, how it works and how it feels for sure. Yeah.
Got it. So, in terms of on your left side, the lymphatic system draining and how you feel, how does this change from, at the end of the program than how you started?
Well, it's been I've had a lot of really like super days in terms of where it's almost perfect, right? And like with this time of year in Canada, like the weathers are very extreme, right? It can be warm, hot, and there's a time of year I get affected most. And during this training, like it was like I'd say 7% less than the previous years, right? And even with work stress levels, life stress levels, with this training, like it's 70% less, right? It's a lot better. And I just know that as we get this pump moving, right, it's just a matter of time before like it's over with, right? So
Finally, I want to ask you about the this question I ask for almost everybody is how would you describe this training to somebody who has never tried it before, in your own words?
in my own words, okay, this is more like a mind, body, spirit type of training, right? It's not simply just isolating muscles, trying to gain size, or it's a different way of operating, right? It affects your mind as well, right? Like it's not just like it's not just the body, right? Everything gets it's like a balancing. It's I would say it's a more of a balanced approach. It's a little bit different. I mean, it seems easy, but it's not, right? It's definitely
Right.
challenging,
It's challenging.
and you're moving stuff that you never even were aware of, right? You're focusing on stuff that you're never aware of. So I would say like it's not easy, right? It's definitely not easy, though it may look easy. There's a lot of mind involved as well, right? And there's a lot of even after the workouts, a lot of reflection as well, right? Like you're adjusting, shifting. So it's like a mind, body, soul type of experience, right? Like your consciousness will change with this because your body is moving differently. Everything is different, right? It's not just like the traditional training. So
Right.
yeah.
And how well one thing you mentioned was your sleep. How is your sleep different when you are doing the program?
Like, okay, yeah, I mean, you know what? Like my sleep wasn't bad previously, but I'm just having like extreme deep, long sleep, right? Like I'll like naps that are 2 hours, wake up, go back to sleep, and it's a good type of it's like your body is really like doing something, right? Like there's shifts, and it's not a from before, it's even deeper. So it's a very rewarding like when you do this workout, you feel really good, right? It's like you accomplished something. So I always got that feeling like when I did this, like the whole routine, I felt really good about myself, and and I slept really good too, right? And it carried the whole week, right? So like three inputs like a week, right, with you and two on my own, it was enough, right? And it just kept hitting it, and the deep. It was always it's 100%. Like you do the workout, you're gonna sleep good for 2 days, right? No, I've seen body composition has changed, right, over the 12 weeks for sure. Like the glutes, the legs are getting a little bit you can't explain it, right? But it looks a little bit better. So yeah,
Yes,
so I'm excited about the progress. So it's all good, man. I really
very good.
appreciate you of finding your work and taking the leap, right? It's well worth it, right? No regrets. So I'm very happy.
Great, great.